Well, as promised, it's time for dinner. And on the menu tonight, seafood. And what better place to cook up some seafood than right here at the Pacific Ocean? All right, let's get down to it. Let's get lit. Let's start with some butter. A generous helping to start with, because we're going to cook up the asparagus first because it takes a while. Throw a few of those on there. There we go. Nice. Okay, let's let those simmer for a few minutes. Just turn it down. There we go. Okay, well, those are sauteing pretty nice. Let's crack a little salt and pepper on there. There we go. Nice. Real nice. Just put that away. Okay. So let's kind of tip this off to the side. Then we need some more butter. There's just flying out there right now. Need a big huge splodge of butter. That looks good. That's not very good for butter. There, now we got butter. All right. Look what we got here. Crushed garlic. Let's get some of that on there. So the annoying thing is that I forgot the lemon. So I can't do anything about it. Spilled milk. So let's just get some of this garlic and butter going. And throw seafood on there. First thing first, a little piece of salmon. Get that in there. Boom. Oh yeah. Let's get that in there. Let's get back out with the salt and pepper. Get out of there. There you go. Get the salt and pepper on there. That's real nice right there. Oh yeah, boy. I love that garlic. That's going to be really good. I'm going to just keep it at that temperature, I think. And then we'll top it off with a few little prawns. Let's get those on there. Just throw them on there just like that. Just like that. Doesn't that look nice? All right, let's get these stirred around in there. Get everything in the garlic and butter. Let's get these covered in the stuff. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? All right. And that's just great. All right, we're going to turn it up a little bit. Get that sizzling. Get you guys in there too. Oh, if you could only smell it. Just unreal. How's that salmon looking? Oh yeah, good. Flip you back over. Well, I don't get to eat like this every day. Look at that steam. It smells so great. Now that's starting to get too hot in there. Got to turn it down again. You got to mind your heat when you're cooking with a scuttle. I don't mind this garlic getting all toasty like that. That's really nice. Really nice. I think you know for sure that I don't need a plate because I got big, huge one right here. I'm just going to eat off of that. All right, let's go in for the food and see how it tastes. Oh, so good. I missed the lemon, but wow, that's just great. Look at that salmon turtle. That's delicious. What a neat place to make dinner. Well, as always, I'd like to thank you for watching Run for the Hills. We'll see you next time.